So as some of you may know, I use my iPhone 15 Pro that came out back in 2023, still in this day and age. It's not that big of an accomplishment, but it is a 128GB iPhone. Now, that's not that much storage to have inside of a device, and most likely if you're getting a phone, I would probably avoid buying a phone of this storage. I'd probably recommend getting an iPhone that might have a little bit more storage inside of it. But the big thing that I keep thinking about was I need to upgrade because of my storage, because I'm running out of storage. But I actually ended up doing something more so than just my typical type of, just kind of deleting some apps here and there. There was a really big issue where I was running out of storage all the time. Now, I tried to delete photos, tried to delete other things, but for some reason my storage was still being just taking up a lot of storage. So what I ended up doing here was going inside of my specific applications. I would go inside of applications like Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok and all these other applications just straight up in the app. And I would actually look for my cache options inside of those types of applications. And then I would look for how do I go through and basically clear out my cache from those applications. That was something that wasn't really showing to me inside of my settings app. I would just rely on the iPhone settings storage option. Instead, this time I would actually go inside of those specific applications and try going through and, try adjusting the cache that way. And guess what ended up happening? I was able to save so much storage from my iPhone just from doing that. That saved me a bunch of storage, and honestly, it's kind of postponed my, update date or upgrade date by quite a bit of time. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.